Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadassah, and today I have another bag video for you guys. I'm really excited about this one, so let me just grab it. So if you follow me on Instagram, once again, you've already seen this bag. So guys, please follow me over on Instagram. It's at HP Life and Style. I'll leave a link down below because that's where I upload or show off, I guess, everything first. YouTube probably gets it later. So, you see, here it is. How gorgeous is this bag? Like, look at this red. I don't remember the exact name. Oh, I think it's Castilian. I think this might be Castilian Red. I think that's what Louis Vuitton calls it. This is the Epi Cannes bag. This is the original Cannes bag. So, you know, Louis Vuitton recently re-released the Cannes bag, and they did it in the reverse monogram, I know. And it's smaller, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. This one is much bigger, I would say, than the new Cannes bag, and I do have a strap attached to it. You can, like that, but it was definitely not meant for that. I had to really work to try to get these on here, but you can do it. So you can definitely add a strap to these. So it zips. You can see it has the zipper, and it doesn't go all the way around. It stops right here on both sides, and it has this right here, and that is the back of the bag. And then as far as the front, let's see if I can get you guys in close. You can see right there, it says LV at the front. And I'll open it up so you guys can see the interior. So inside is also red. This is the top. And then there you have the inside. It has a little slip pocket. That's what the black slit is there for. So if you are thinking about buying this bag, just know that the slip pocket is going to be unusable in every single bag that I saw. It's deteriorated, and sometimes that will like flake off. So I just try to wipe away as much of that as I could when I got the bag, and then I keep it closed so none of it gets on the rest of the bag. But this bag is massive, like so big. It holds so much. It'll definitely hold a water bottle. A 16-ounce water bottle will fit diagonally inside of here. So it really will hold a lot. And it's bigger than it looks. I will say that. Like looking at comparison videos, I'm zipping it back up. I knew that it was bigger than the re-release Cannes bag, but I didn't really see how big it was until I got it here in person to see exactly how massive it was. But I love it. Oh, I didn't show you guys the bottom. Okay, so there's the bottom, no feet or anything, just the plain Epi. So yeah, this is my first Epi bag, and it's also my first red bag, so I am really enjoying this. So thank you guys so much for letting me share this. If you're thinking about, oh, I got this bag off of eBay. I don't remember specifically which seller it was, but it was one of the reputable sellers off of eBay, and they had it for a really good price. So highly recommend this bag. If you're thinking about getting it, you can do top handle, or you can do shoulder or crossbody by adding a strap. It's super simple to do. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up button down below, leave a comment, and please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.